In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a Facebook like page. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first step you're going to want to do is go over to facebook.com and log into your account. And then once you've logged into your account and you're on your main page, go over to create in the top right corner here. And then once you've clicked on create, you can go ahead and click create page or group. And for this instance, we're going to go ahead and click on page. And then once you've clicked on page, go ahead and work out whether you're at a business or a brand. So this could be like a shop or a little business locally. Or you can go ahead and create a community page or a public figure. For today, I'm going to go ahead and click on community or public figure. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in the name of my page. And then go ahead and put in a category. So education website. And then go ahead and click on continue. And there it is, guys, a super simple, super quick video today showing you how you can go ahead and create a like page. It's really that easy. So if this video did help you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.